Hey everybody, Chris Cellino here. I wanted to do another quick tutorial with my Confluence API for LabVIEW. And today we're going to take a look at doing batch operations on page trees and hierarchies, like portions of a page tree. The page tree in Confluence is ridiculously powerful because it allows you to organize all of your information. But maybe sometimes you want to do batch operations like put a suffix at the end of a whole bunch of page titles, starting with a parent and then operating on all the children recursively. Or maybe you want to edit all the text inside of all pages recursively under a given parent, or maybe apply a label. There's lots of batch operations that you may want to do in the page tree. So in this tutorial, we're going to briefly look at the API and some really cool things that you can do. Alright, so here's a very rudimentary hierarchy of pages in a given space. You can see that we've got two parents with two children for each parent. So I want to get a reference to all of these. Well, we start off by getting a reference to the parent page, which in this case is the home page, and here's the home page ID, so you see it here. So next, we get children pages. And you can get the child pages, or you can get child pages recursively. So I'm going to get child pages recursively. And of course we wire in our Confluence reference and then the parent page. Continue wiring through. Alright. And this function will return all of the children pages recursively as well as a page count. Now, something you might be interested in doing is getting the titles for all of these pages. Let's merge up our errors. Let's do a little bit of diagram cleanup magic. And let's see what we've got. Great. So here are all of the child pages. Now you'll notice that the order isn't quite what we had hoped for. We're going to take a look at another function that will actually return the hierarchy of these pages. In fact, I've made a helper that will render the hierarchy in a tree control. But at this stage, for each page, because now I have all the pages, you can do things like apply a label to a given page, or edit the title for all of the pages. You might want to embed a tree control on your UI that is the page hierarchy from Confluence. Well, I have a function that will let you do just that. Under Add-ons, Petron Way, Confluence, Page, Utilities, Render Page Hierarchy. Let's wire everything up. So this will render the page hierarchy starting at a given page, and in this case I'm starting at the home page. And what it expects is a tree reference in. Alright, let's wire up our errors and run it. And there we are. So now you can see this mirrors this exactly. And the tags for all of these are the page IDs themselves. As always, thank you for your time in checking out this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, I have a running list of tutorials in my channel. Feel free to subscribe. And if you would like to see any other tutorials, let me know. Comment, and I'll see what I can do. All right, thanks a bunch, everybody.